He bought some heavy metal and sailed on a self-destruct path. His brother said it was the devil's music. His father said that it was only noise. But he didn't listen, and they just ignored it, saying he's a lonely teenage boy. First was how he entered the Slayer, left in terror a cannibal corpse. But when he bought a record with 3 6s on the cover, he turned to a man with blood remorse. Soon the songs began to change him. Remember stars the blazing double bass, and the twin attack of a rabbit thrash guitar with solos that calls a masterpiece. Satanic lyrics began to hypnotize him. Demonic voices screaming at him forward. They lost control and murdered his whole family, and it happened when they heard this chord. And the twin attack of a rabbit thrash guitar with solos that cause a mental face. Satanic lyrics began to hypnotize him. Demonic voices screaming at him forward. They lost control and murdered his whole family, and it happened when he heard this chord.
Magfest, thanks for having us back. We love this place. Thank you.
She was riding on her bike, went for a car with glowing rims, that's playing a hip-hop noise. Stopped a half a block away, and after 3 black boys, they wore the pants down past her ass, and one had golden teeth. He pushed my friend right up her bike and down into the street. They left her lying on the ground, and they took all her stuff. I wonder if they felt like men, if they felt awfully tough. But now I'm riding the streets at night with a pistol in my hand, waiting for the time when I'll be that bitch of a man. Cause they don't know what they set in motion. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean. They need their roots on it. I would show them how it feels. I tie them up and put their heads underneath the farm the cheer reverse and slowly crush their heads. Cause if you mess with me and mine, you're gonna end up dead. So if you see that one out there who drives that purple car, let me know, please fill me in on who and where they are. Cause when I find a smiling trash who has golden teeth, there's gonna be some Western Justice there in South Jack Beach. Cause they don't know what they say motion. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean, but they need their gruesome end. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean. They need their gruesome end. Thank you so much. Let's welcome Mr. Isaac Polar back up here. We got 2 songs left for you guys.
Good morning, John. That's the bell. He's the one that keeps it from one another.
Well, it's time to do some picking. It's time to make some noise. There's nothing I like more than playing music with the boys. And we ain't just whistling Dixie. We came on laying on the line. And if you like hillbilly music, I reckon we'll get along just fine. Well, we brought our trusty banjo and our guitar too. We got Isaac on harmonica and yeah, brass is blowing. And we ain't just whistling Dixie. We came on laying on the line. And if you like hillbilly music, I reckon we'll get along just fine. Let's hear that guitar. Drugs. Well, that may be, but mostly we get high on fried scrubs. And get down with Hero Dixie. We'll hoss and I walk the line. Yeah, we did hillbilly music and our buddy's big old jug of moonshine. Isaac Claret. Well, I gotta tell you, you're in the wrong damn place tonight. Cause we ain't just whistling Dixie. We came on laying on the line. But since you love hillbilly music, I reckon we're gonna get along just fine. Oh, show 'em, Mr. Banger. So gather around real close. Where Grandpa's cough medicine coming. We're Folks, we got time for one more tune. We're gonna play an original instrumental written by Mr. Brent Bass over there. This one's called Key Is Real.
Yeah.